Hello students, how are you all? Today we will discuss some important multiple choice questions for pre-board and board exams of class 10 subject Social Studies. 1. Who among the following is the writer of Gulamgiri? A. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. B. Jyotiba Phule. C. E.V. Periyar. D. Ram Mohan Roy. Answer B. Jyotiba Phule. 2. Which one of the following ideologies were the European governments driven by after the defeat of Napoleon in 1815? A. Socialism. B. Conservatism. C. Liberalism. D. Romanticism. Answer B. Conservatism. 3. Which one of the following soils develops in an area with high temperature and heavy rainfall? A. Red and yellow soil. B. Black soil. C. Alluvial soil. D. Laterite soil. Answer D. Laterite soil. 4. In which one of the following countries was mass production an important feature in the 1920s? A. United States of America. B. France. C. Poland. D. Japan. Answer A. United States of America. 5. Choose the correct option from the following regarding Central Powers in the First World War. A. Germany, Austria-Hungary and Ottoman Turkey. B. Britain, France and Russia. C. Italy, Japan and Russia. D. France, Austria-Hungary and China. Answer A. Germany, Austria-Hungary and Ottoman Turkey. 6th assertion. When power is taken away from central and state governments and given to local governments, it is called decentralization. Reason are at least 1/3 of all positions are reserved for women in local government bodies. A. Both assertion A and reason are true and reason R is the correct explanation of assertion A. B. Both assertion A and reason are true but reason R is not the correct explanation of assertion A. C. Assertion A is true but reason R is false. D. Both assertion A and reason are false. Answer B. Both assertion A and reason are true but reason R is not the correct explanation of assertion A. 7. What step taken to provide representation to women in panchayats and municipalities? A. Reservation for election to half of the seats for women. B. Appointment of 1/3 women members. C. Reservation for election to 1/3 of the seats for women. Answer C. Reservation for election to 1/3 of the seats for women. 8. What is an alliance? A. Two parties contest elections. B. Several parties join hands for contesting elections. C. One party contests elections. Answer B. Several parties join hands for contesting elections. 9. Based on the conflicting developmental goals, which of the following pairs are not correctly matched? A. More wages to workers against the interests of the entrepreneur. B. Rich farmers want to sell food grains at high prices poor workers want to purchase it at low prices. C. Construction of a dam means more and cheaper power for people. The tribal do not want to leave the place. D. Expansion of roads in the city good for reducing traffic congestion. Ans. C. Construction of a dam means more and cheaper power for the tribal do not want to leave the place. Thank you.
Where did all the magic go? Did it fade like morning glow? Love that used to light my mind, left with shadows left behind. Memories like jagged stones, cut me deep, they chill my bones. Walk through moments lost in time, every step was silent crime. Reflects all the promises, neglects, tears that paint the night in blue, echoes of the love we knew. Broken dreams and